Welcome to this video explaining how to load a photo onto your website. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be working through the Files tab because I don't have a specific page I want this photo to go on, so I'm just putting it into the CMS so I can use it at another time. So I'll go to Files, Photo Manager, and here's my one photo that I have already on here. To upload one from my computer, I can click Browse and then it'll open up my files on my computer. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it. So I have a photo here, I'm going to drag it and pop it in there. So my photo's in there already. If I want to drag another one, I will do that too. Okay, as you can see, this file's too big, so I will need to do some editing for it. So I will click here on this button and it opens up my photo. Okay, so I need to make this photo smaller. As you can see, it's saying it's too big, and also it's in a different format. It's in a PNG, so I will need to change that to a JPEG format as well. So to do that, first up, I can save it as a JPEG by removing the PNG. Save changes. It still says it's still too big, but I'm going to save it because I know it's a JPEG now. So now I can resize it. So I can click up in the resize button. I've got some options here. I want this one to be going in a blog at a later stage, so I'm going to click blog. Then I'm going to go down here, resize now. And as you can see, it has resized it. I'm going to press Save Changes, and I get no warning coming up, which means it's now a good size. So to go back and have a look at rechanging the sizes on my existing photos, I will go Files, Photo Manager, and as you can see, here's the large file. I no longer need that one, so I'm going to delete it. Here's my new resized one, and here's the one I imported first, so I'm going to edit this one, and at the moment it tells me what size it is. I would like that one to be very small, so I can either do that and crop it myself, or I can resize it like this. There we go. So now my new size is up here. Save changes, and I can't save it because it already exists. So because I'm replacing this file, I can just press replacing existing file, or if I wanted to keep the big version in there, I would enter a new name and save new file. But replace existing file is fine for me, and there we go. So that's how you change a photo size and edit it using your files. You also can import a photo directly onto a page. So I'm going to head over to my home page. So I've got some photos in here already. I want to replace this one. I will click on the link, then I will click Browse. I can already click onto all my images. I have a photo there, but I don't want any of those ones, so I will click Upload Image, and I will drag it from a file and pop it on. Okay, if I like this photo at this size, I would just leave it how it is. It's already a JPEG, but I'm going to edit it. I'm going to make it a third of a page and resize now. Save changes. Okay, and there we go. I now have a photo replaced in there as well.